Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best compact air fryer you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Bella Compact Air Fryer. Let's get started. Product feature: space-saving design. This air fryer features a sleek, compact footprint that saves up to 50% more counter space than previous models, making it a perfect fit for smaller kitchens or crowded countertops without sacrificing performance. Generous 4-quart capacity. Despite its small size, it boasts an XL basket that holds up to 3.3 pounds of food. You can easily cook large batches of family favorites like crispy fries or juicy salmon in a single go. Healthy ceramic coating. It is equipped with Evergood ceramic non-stick coating, which is entirely free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium, ensuring every meal you serve is safe and healthy for your loved ones. Effortless cleanup. The high-quality non-stick surface doesn't just promote healthier cooking, it also ensures that food slides right off. This makes the cleaning process incredibly quick and stress-free after a busy family dinner. Versatile digital presets. The intuitive digital control panel offers 6 convenient presets: air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. You can also fine-tune time and temperature for perfectly customized results every time. Powerful circular heat. With 1,300 watts of power and advanced circular heat technology, this appliance ensures your meals are cooked evenly. You'll enjoy that satisfying golden brown crunch without the need for excessive oil. Pros. The biggest win here is how much room you reclaim on your counter without losing the ability to feed a hungry family. The ceramic coating offers such peace of mind, knowing your food is free from toxins. It's a wonderful feeling to cook healthy, crispy meals so quickly. Plus, the elegant design means you'll actually enjoy seeing it in your kitchen every single day while you cook. Cons. While the 4-quart basket is impressive for its size, very large families might still need to cook in multiple rounds for massive holiday feasts. Also, the matte finish is beautiful but might show flour or fingerprints if you are a particularly messy baker, though everything wipes away easily. Final thoughts. Imagine coming home after a long day and effortlessly whipping up a delicious, healthy meal that looks and tastes like a gourmet treat. This air fryer isn't just a gadget, it's a partner in your journey toward a simpler, more joyful lifestyle. It brings a touch of elegance to your home while making sure your family eats well. You deserve a kitchen that works as hard as you do. Your kitchen deserves this upgrade. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video. See you next time.